Hey third graders, hey fourth graders, Miss Stewart here. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Big Ideas Math and how to complete your math journal. Okay, so you're going to log in with your information, and once you log in, you're going to see your dashboard. Welcome to Big Ideas Math. What I would like you to do is click on Continue right beside your math textbook. You're going to go to the lesson that we are working on in class, the one that you just finished working on with Mrs. Stewart. So for this example, Miss Stewart's going to use 1.1, lesson 1.1. I have the warm-up that I need to do. I'm going to select Start and complete that warm-up. I'm going to save my progress as I go. I'm going to click on the blue arrow. I'm going to explore and grow. Once you click on explore and grow, it's going to open up another tab. You're going to click on that tab, click on the exploration button, and get started exploring working with those numbers and math problems. Once you finish exploring and growing, you're going to come back to that first math tab that you were in. Your screen will look like this. Then you're going to click on that blue arrow. You're going to think and grow. You're going to watch a very short video with our math concept that we're working on. After you watch that video, you are going to click on that blue button. Then you're going to show and grow. I can do it. Now this is where you're going to show what you know with the math problems. There's always a tutorial to help you just in case you forgot or need extra help. Okay, after you do that, you're going to make sure that you save your progress as you go. Once you finish, you're going to click on the blue arrow. Then you're going to apply and grow. Now you're going to do some practice by yourself. You're going to press the green button, start, and get started, making sure that you save your work as you go. You're going to click on the blue button once you are finished applying and growing. Then you're going to go to Think and Grow, Modeling Real Life. You're going to watch this video of how you're going to apply the math concept that you just went over in real life situations, okay? After you watch that video, you're going to click on the blue button, the blue arrow, and then you're going to show and grow. I can think deeper. How can you apply what we just learned, that math concept, to real life applications? Okay? Once you finish that, make sure that you save your work as you go. Then you're going to get started with your homework and practice. Okay? You're going to get started with your homework and practice. You always have an example to show you how to do the problem just in case you get stuck. You're going to complete all of those problems. Then you're going to click on Save Your Work. And then you have completed your math journal for the day. Way to go!